Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll and tap on the display and brightness. And as you can see, actually on the 4th position we've got sleep option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes. What's more, we can set never, so after tapping on it, your device will never black out. As you can see, now we've got 2 minutes applied, and you can say it by this mark right here. And in order to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use. For example, 5 minutes, just tap on it. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually, that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.